5.
I guess I'm a player, cause I want you both. They don't know that I have you, so I'm keeping it low. I don't brag, I don't boast. Others been doing the most, telling all their business in social media posts.
Show shutties, welcome back to my channel. I'm tired. I want to go to sleep. I want to watch my show, but I'm filming, you know, because I love you guys. So today, I know my hair's a mess, but today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did my 2 puffs. So that's why my hair looks like this, as if my hair doesn't look like this every day. But yeah, so I'm starting off on old hair, like not freshly washed hair. This is a wash and go. Like, this has been, my hair has been, hold on, it's been 5 days. Okay, so yeah, I haven't touched my hair because I'm that person. But yeah, the things you're gonna need for this are, so we'll get those first: a spray bottle with water, just water, Eco Styler gel, a rat tail comb, a pick, a bristle brush, an edge brush, some coconut oil or whatever oil you prefer to use, and I use my Denver brush, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna use my Denver brush. Like, we'll see. It's getting hot in here. I'm gonna start by splitting my hair. Down the middle with the end of my rat tail comb. And I'm trying to make it even, but it probably won't be like 100% even. To be honest, I only really care about like the first half of the part, because I feel like if I take a picture, that's all that anybody's gonna see. I'm gonna go ask my mom if it's straight, just because I literally just said I don't care if it's straight, but I'm gonna go ask and I'll be right back. Goodbye. Like, so my part wasn't straight, so my mom straightened it for me. So if you guys have somebody, you can ask them to straighten your hair. You don't have to. It doesn't have to be perfectly straight, but I literally asked her, does it look okay? And she was like, no, it's not straight. Let me straighten it for you. Because, you know, Jamaican parents want to do everything. Like, you gotta be perfect. Like, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this, like, in a section with a hair tie. If I can freaking find one. I forgot to mention that you'll need hair ties. So, yeah. You'll need hair ties. Then I put that in a... not tight, just to keep it over here. To be honest, I could have just went out like this, like. But yeah, so I'm gonna first take my pick and like stretch the roots out, I guess, if that makes sense, before I wet it, because I know how my shrinkage be on 100. I'm gonna take my spray bottle and just spray around, and obviously where the part is. I'm gonna take my pick again. You don't have to use a pick. You can use like a wide tooth comb, but I just prefer to use a pick because of how I can like hold it and stuff. So after I use the pick and like stretch my roots out, then I just like put it together, I guess, and like while I pull it. Keep pulling it so it's like maximum size, I guess. So after I have it like in the position where I want it, I grab my hair tie and I put it around it. And I do it twice this time, just so it's not like too loose, I guess. I'm gonna end up taking it out, like, you'll see. So now I grab my gel. I don't put that much, but put enough. And then just put it around the perimeter of like the whole thing. The perimeter of your puff. Okay. So then you take your bristle brush and just brush it in so it's all like slicked down. If you feel any bumps, which I just felt a bump, then I use my pick to get it like sleeked for me. Sleeked. I feel like I'm not explaining this like the way I should, but whatever. Okay. So after I'm done brushing it in, I keep my hand there so it's still slicked. Take my hair tie out. I pull it out some more. Y'all are probably like, I'm not gonna pull my hair that much. You're crazy. Then I take my hair tie again and I wrap it around 3 times. Well, let's see. Because my hair's like thicker now or something. 1. 2. It's not that tight. Okay, and then I pick it out. First I use my hands, you know. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and I'm gonna watch my show. If you guys, I'm gonna do it on camera. It's just like I'm gonna be looking down because I have my laptop down there on the camera because I'm watching Good Doctor. You should watch The Good Doctor. If you haven't watched The Good Doctor, it's good. Clearly, like, I watch it. But I just started today and I already cried like 3 times because I'm a wuss. But yeah.
Victoria's Secret introduces Perfect Shape. It comes in Body by Victoria and t-shirt styles. It can push you up or push you in.
If only I was smart.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you waiting for someone?
No.
I like to go when it's not crowded, but it's so hard to motivate after work. Half the time I end up not. If I flip on this. Hey, you know, as long as we're tossing out truth grenades, you suck at it.
If you are starting off on old hair like me, then your curls aren't going to be like as defined as they would be if it was like just washed or something. So you can just put product on the end or whatever. But I like the volume, so I'm not going to do that. But since it is old hair, I'm going to go ahead and use the coconut oil and just put it on my puffs. just go ahead and shape your puff to whatever shape you desire, I guess. And make sure they're like equal, like same height, same size. Right? And I'm gonna use my pick to help me shape my puff.
Great, I can't even see. God damn it.
And I take my little extra hairs, because there's usually extra hairs right here, and I just twirl them around my finger. So they're like pretty defined, I guess. So yeah, it took me like 20 minutes to do this. Did not take me that long. I didn't have to use my Denman brush, as I said before, like I was gonna use it, but I didn't have to. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like this, or if you'd like to see like more hair videos, or like all that good stuff. Comment below, let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Is that it? Subscribe, like, and comment.